Alright, so here's how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor onto the left upper side and simply go with the file. And then from here, you need to go to the bottom and simply select options. Now, all you're gonna do is simply go and select the trust center and now trust center settings. Now from here, you need to select the macro settings. And under the macro settings, as you can see, it is in default set as disable VBA macros with notification. But if you want to enable the macros, then simply go with this option, which is on the fourth. But you need to keep that in mind that it is not recommended and potentially dangerous code can run. Alright. So you can select this at your own risk and simply go with the OK and simply go with the OK. So that's how you can enable macros in Microsoft Excel. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.